ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Good afternoon, guys. Hapon na. And today, what's the date, Baba, today?
The 22, I think.
22? Oh, wow. It's Tuesday.
Wednesday. It's Wednesday.
Is it Wednesday?
Yes.
Where's my phone?
It's a Wednesday.
Magla-live ako.
It's Wednesday pala.
Can you get my phone, please? It's in the living room. And meron kaming i-unbox. And may dumating na akong package. Kahapon pa yun dumating yung paninda ko andun. And yung Christmas tree natin nandiyan pa rin kasi hindi pa rin kinukuha ni Jan yung mga paglalagyan niya.
Wednesday, 22 is January.
Oh, okay. Narinig niyo. Okay. Can you get your package?
Hindi.
That's yours, Baba, from someone. May nagpadala kay Holly.
That was twice, remember, on Mackenzie's birthday? I got
Yeah. So,
guys, I was wondering, is this mine? Because it sounds like beads. Because when I
yeah.
shoot it...
So, si ano to, from New Zealand. Same na nagpadala sa kanya ng, ng kanyang bag.
Yeah, I
From
got the
Smiggle.
Smiggle bag.
So, say thank you, tita.
Thank you, Tita.
From New Zealand. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Insert.
A bead set!
Come here, i-unbox it. Ikaw mag-unbox.
A bead set!
Ikaw na talon.
Makeup.
I don't know.
It's a squishmallow!
Oh, that's nice. Nagko-collect siya nito.
Wait, it's not just a squishmallow. What's at the back?
Oh, what's
this? Where?
It's a 2-in-1 unicorn travel blanket. Oh,
Oh, I can hug it.
Baba, when we go to Adelaide
Yes,
and we're gonna take a bus, you can bring this.
Yes. Because it's always cold on the bus.
Oh, malamig sa bus.
Oh, I found it.
Ang nice naman nito. So what you gonna say?
Thank you. Hot scissors with this. Yeah, I'm gonna cut off this.
Ah, yun pala.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Log. Dami niyo nang napadala kay Holly. Thank you.
I saw this when I was watching YouTube. I saw this on the ad on the laptop.
Oh, wow.
And I was next to
Alright,
it.
okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Yay, it's
Oh, may blanket. Tapos ilalagay. Mama, show it
so
here.
fuzzy, guys.
Oh, nice. You have a travel
So
blanket
fuzzy.
now.
Wow.
So you can hide it here.
Yeah, like no one will never know there's a
Blanket. Oh, cute. Very useful
And
to.
there's
pag nagtatravel.
more.
There's more. Okay, dami. Oh my God.
More. Blow up.
Ayan na. Makeup na talaga.
Yes.
Ang cute kasi maliit lang. Ay, thank you. Pinadala niya to. Ano pa? Oh my God. Ayan na. Magti-tiktok na to.
So I got this makeup palette, and this is like
Oh my
my-
God. Alam niya yung word.
I'm not a colorful girl. I'm just like a.
Neutral? Oh, hindi daw siya colorful girl.
And then we got a colorful one. Oops. Colorful one.
Oh my God. What
And we
else?
got our makeup brushes and a mirror.
Yes.
Okay, and then this.
What's this? What?
This
You have to open it. Ay, ang cute lang ah.
It's a pencil liner for your lips.
Oh,
Look.
lip liner. What?
The lip liner.
Oh my
We
God.
got a lip liner in a brush and lipstick and lip gloss.
Oh my God.
Oh my god, thank you.
Thank you.
I always
Hey, ano to? What's her name again?
Oh. Wait, let's open this.
Habang busy ka dyan.
I'm busy doing this, guys.
Say thanks, Tita Nins. Francisco.
Tita Nins from
Francisco.
Francisco.
Ay, thank you, sis. Ayan, ang saya ng bata. Mag-lip liner na to.
Yay.
There's more, Baba.
Wait, there is. Yeah, we won't mind about this makeup right now.
Pinadala niya ito nung ano pa, guys. Ngayon lang namin nabuksan. Put it all.
Oh.
Put it back.
Can you help me put everything? Should I just take it out?
No, wait. How you do this?
And we got these makeup palettes. This is rainbow, but I'm more like a natural girl. I'm not colorful. It's just does not match on me. Colorfulness. And then I'm just gonna put the bubble wrap next to it. Natural.
Ayan. Yeah, you all that one
And we
na.
also have some makeup brushes. So soft there.
Yeah, ang dami. Kompleto siya talaga. Makeup kit. Para
Yeah,
siyang makeup
I can
artist.
travel with this. I want me to do your makeup for you. Yeah,
Okay,
let's
there's
put it up.
more.
Wait, Mom, it's mine. I get to undo it.
Alright.
Oh, this is so cute. It's a
Ang
little...
dami.
And it has
Thank you.
like a thing.
Natutuwa raw siya kay
Let's
Holly.
just stick this in.
Tell Tita you're uploading on TikTok and Reels now.
Yes, I
Kasi
am.
nga gusto
This
niya
is
talaga
little
mag-vlog.
bag.
Eh, hindi ko naman ma-aksikaso yung vlog niya. So, mag-Reels lang siya mag-TikTok. The biggest one.
Bracelet.
Mega jewelry. Design studio. Oh my God, ang dami. Ala, magiging busy to.
You see that, you guys?
Oh, wait, we have to cut
Oh,
this.
yeah. Voila.
Wala na. Say, thank you.
Thank you. I love the best thing that I love is the makeup.
The makeup, but everything's good. Kasi mahilig na siya mag-makeup.
Remember, I always wanted to do this,
I know.
but it didn't work.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh my God, ang dami.
Oh,
Thank you. From New Zealand siya. Natutuwa daw talaga siya kay Holly kay ayan. Binongga-bongga niya talaga ang mga
What are
padala
these?
niya.
I think these are razors too.
Yeah. So, yan yung padala sa kanya. And, ako, kahapon, pumunta tayo ng coast, di ba? Meron akong nakuha
I'm looking at my
dahil
makeup.
sa aking, flybys points. Ito yung nakuha ko. Wait
I'm
lang.
looking at my makeup. I've never done lip liner before, guys. It's my first time. So,
Ito, nakakuha tayo ng smeg na
ano ba?
knife, tatlo to. So, tinanong niya kasi ako kung gusto kong ubusin yung
Makeup.
yung points. Kasi, sayang naman paubos na raw yung mga ganito. So, sabi ko, sige, so pwede kong ipadala pa nagpa-box ako sa Pinas. Pwede kong ipadala yung dalawa or yung isa. Mayroon kasing dalawa na pareho, tapos may isa. Ito, pareho to. Ayan.
I wanna see what
Tapos,
size this
ito
is.
yung isa na iba din ang kanyang design. And, etong flybys na to, recently ko lang to ginagamit kasi nawala ko yung totoo ko talagang glittery. Totoo kong card, nawala siya. And, siguro nandito lang sa bahay, hanapin ko yung kasi ang daming points na yun. For 13 years na nag-shopping ako. Ngayon lang ako nakakuha ng libre dahil sa mga points. And yung nagamit pa nating flybys ay yung bago ko pa lang na gamitin. Last year ko lang yung ginamit. Tapos ito yung nakuha ko. So yung luma ko, sana mahanap ko kasi ang laki ng points doon. So yan. Ang binili ko lang sa Coles pala kahapon, banana, grapes, cucumber. Yun lang, tatlo. Tapos ito yung aking libre. Tinanong niya kasi ako, sabi niya, you got few points here that you can get knife. Sabi ko, sige. Tapos tinanong niya, kung gusto mo ba, ubusin to? Sabi ko, sige. kaysa hindi ko naman siya magagamit. Kasi ito yung nila parang pag-gift. Ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Basta marami sila doon na knife. And paubos na daw yung ibang design. So, kaya kinuha ko na. Yung isa, busy na doon, nagli-lip liner na.
Am I doing good? I don't think I'm doing it right.
Come on.
I don't.
Ayan.
Is
Okay,
it good, Mom?
yeah. Okay, can you put this in the bin first?
Wait, let me do my
Na siya. And ang suot ko pala ay yung nabili kong skirt from Zara. Ayan, from Sarah to. Tapos eto, matagal na tong top na to. Ito ay from Temp.
I feel
Ba
like I
yun?
did not
Sarado
do
na
this.
nga siguro yun na shop. But, yeah, yun yung ating. So, dito lang naman ako sa bahay, guys. Mag-try akong mag-live. And then, nag-try akong mag-ayos-ayos para naman maging mukhang tao tayo. And eto yung package. Meron pa akong parating. Baka next week pa yun. Ayan. Subuksan ko yan para maayos ko na din. And para makapag-live ako. Ano?
It's like a
Ang happy-happy niya. Thank you so much. And yung dinner namin, naglabas na ako ng silver side.
I got this one.
Ha? Ayan, yung silver side para kay Johnny Boy. Tapos, meron pa ako dyan na, meron ako dito sa ref na cauliflower. So, magawa akong cauliflower yung may white sauce. So, yun guys, ang aking ganap. So, buksan ko muna yun. Ano na? Ha?
I put lip liner on too, but I feel like... Thanks to Tanins for sending all these things to me. I love it. From New Zealand. Thank you. I'm excited. We're removing the... Can you hold me? Can you hold me, please? Take the out. We'll remove the plastic bit, like these bits off the palette. I put blush on, and I put like the dark one. Thank you. And now I'm going to put the glittery one on because I think I match with glitter. Just a little bit. Okay, I put a glitter one on. Now I'm going to put it on my other cheek. Yeah, I put them on the glitter. Can you see well, guys? Oops, let me move that out the way. Okay, so I already did my lip gloss, just you saw it, and I also have lipstick. But I saw this YouTube where you have to put lip gloss on first, and then wait until it dries, and then you put lipstick on. So we're gonna wait, and because lipstick is last. So we're gonna go with the makeup palette and Mom? Is this the one for the eyes? Is this the one for your eyes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna use, which one do you think will match on me? This one?
It's up to you.
So I think this like smoky brown. I can't really, oh yeah. So I'm putting this on. I feel like I need a little bit more. And then we'll put some like glitter, like this gold glitter or the gold one. Okay, just the ones here so you guys can see better. Okay, that's good. I'm not good at winking, but we don't talk about that. Just a little bit more. That was a lot more, but... Okay, that's good enough. Then we'll put this one back into there. And then we'll put, oh, we're going to put the glitter a little. So this is the where you put the stuff and this is where you put the glitter. So I'm going to gold or like a bronze color. I'll say bronze. No, yeah, bronze. So this color. That's a lot. Let's glitter. Oh, that's so good. You can see it, can't you?
Mm-hmm.
That is so good. I'm like a makeup artist. Inside. Okay, we're done with that. And now for the last bit, because I already put the lip gloss on. Okay, now we're gonna put the lipstick, and we have two options to pick. So, we have like this brown one. This brown one. I don't know what to pick on this one. You're wearing red. And then we have this one, the red one. This is like yours, Mom. What color is this? Is this like a... Yeah, I think it's like a peach. Let's test it out on my arm. Oh, we don't want to wind it up too much. So I'll put the lip gloss glittery one. Let's rub it in. So that is this red one here. Let's see if it's wound down. Yep. I don't want to break it. Then we have this peach one. Can't really see it. There we go. There we go. So I'm not sure what to wear on. Which one?
It's up to you.
This one? Or this one? Let me see. I think this one, guys. So we'll use this one later. Well, not later. Next day. Okay, let's put this lip gloss. There we go. Let's use this one. I'm not really good at artist, but can you see the difference? This one, do it. This one. Okay, we did this one. Ah, wrong side. So that's it of my afternoon makeup routine. So thank you. Bye.
Pinasok ko na dito sa aking live send. Oh my God, ang una ko nakita is Chucky. Ay, Chucky. Oh my God, the kids will love this. Guys. Ayan. Hi. Chuckies. Ano pa ba? More Chuckies. And meron tayong O-top. Dutch meal. Ay, eto na yung kay V-Line. Ayan, nag-order ako nito. Ayan. Diba? And eto, most requested to. Eto yung, ano ba to, yung gourmet na ano, tapa flakes. Ayan. Basta ang dami nito. Meron pa ako isang box. Pero maliit yung box na pinadala niya. Kasi nga, yung isa, sabi ko, akala ko isa lang box yung na-order ko. Sabi niya, ma'am, ano, madami ka pong na-order. So, dalawang box. Yung isa ata malaki na yun. And my barley. Ayan si barley. And si Shipo Apo. Kaya guys, order na kayo sa Holy Mom Style. Alright. And Nikusi. Eto, gusto kong i-try to sa mga bata. Lalo na kay Holly. At saka kay Isa, kasi yung skin nila medyo, yung parang may bungang araw. Tingnan natin. Ito talaga yung, hala, nabuksan na. Hala, sis, paano na to? Akin na lang to. Pero hindi pa naman siya nabukas ng bongga. So, ayan. So, ayusin ko muna to para makapag-live tayo. Naka-ready na yung aking ring light. O, diba? Ang taas. Oops. So, tapos na ako mag-unbox. And nagluluto ako at the same time. So, pabalik-balik ako dito sa live selling. But, yeah, yan yung current situation dito sa table. And yung iba nandito. Ayan. And yung iba nandito sa likod ko. Andito sila. Ayan. And, meron tayong problems. Hindi naman problems. Na ano tayo, na random check. So, nagbukas sila. Tulad nito, binuksan nila to. Ito din binuksan nila. And ito, binuksan din nila. May isang binuksan nito. Pakita ko sa inyo kung saan nila nilagay. Ito, merong tinanggal nila sa bubble wrap. Tiningnan din nila yan. So, ito yung isang binuksan nila. Yung Tokyo Vanilla Coffee. Ayan. Na random check tayo sa custom. And meron pa marami, guys. Ito, meron silang binuksan na capsule. Ayan, nilagay nila dito. And then, yung shishipo apo, ayan. And ito yung sinasabi sa yung sabon na binuksan nila. Then, ito. So, ayan yung binuksan. First time kong ma-random check na mga ganitong items yung laman ng box natin. Dati, yung aking mga damit. But this time, ito, first time. So, sobrang nag-strict daw ngayon ang Australia. Kaya, expect na daw to. So, ito yung ating cauliflower with white sauce, mashed potato, and ayan yung corned beef. So, pakainin ko muna yung aking pambam. Alam niyo bang ginagawa ni Holly sa daddy niya? Mini-makeupan ang daddy. Sabi ni Jan, you know I'm not a girl. Pero okay lang ang daddy. Ayun. May eyeshadow ang daddy niya. Si kuya, ang kakainin lang niya is yung cauliflower and corned beef. I know. Ang cute ng dalawa. The other eye.
Dad, I need help.
What?
And then one
Sisa, kunti lang atang kakainin.
page B5.
Saki, what mashed
Oh, it
potato?
doesn't matter, Dad, I've got them all. It said all. So it doesn't matter, I've got one. I'm fine.
You're good now.
Zach!
Sak, dinner's ready.
Zach!
Holly, are you still full?
Yeah.
Kumain kasi siya ng pansit.
Hey, oh, have you had tea?
You got mashed potato, Jack?
Yes.
Is this enough? What?
It's red.
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah, that's I don't know what it's called.
So you, kuya, corned beef and
Mommy,
just one corned beef? Okay. Daddy, come on. Si kuya, damihan natin ito kasi ito lang kakainin niya. Ayaw ni kuya ng mashed
I want to
potato.
lot it.
Wala tayong rice, hindi ako naglutong rice. Oh, here you go, kuya. Tamang-tama lang yung corned beef. Kasi di ko maalala nyo, hinati-hati ko to. Kasi
Dad,
lala.
I put my name as TJ.
I did my dad's makeup.
Okay, daddy. How is it, Zaki? Good. Good? Can you get kuya sa akin knife, please, Holly?
Primary school, it's the picture of a suburban child who seems parents are increasingly favouring
Just a knife.
Wow, simot sarap. Good? Wow, I told you there's no drink. It's in the caravan.
Nothing in there either.
Wow, in the caravan? Ah, pineapple juice, han. I put that one.
Yes, please.
Wala siya ditong Coke or anything kasi nasa caravan or nasa shed. You're done? Tapos na sila, so maghuhugas na ako and balik ako sa aking tindahan. May nabenta tayo habang nag-unboxing ako. Yeah, pineapple juice. Sa akin to eh. Can you get me a cup, please? Ang daming nangyari sa katakot sa Israel. May mga stabbing na.
Caramel clouds.
It's Herman.
No,
Chocolate niya.
I never ate it.
I put them all in the fridge.
Oh,
Zachary,
Zachary.
do you ate all my caramel clouds?
Hey, don't say
You have. Because I put them in there and haven't been home.
2. See? So now, I don't think it's 2. Put it back, please. And drink water too. Okay, magugas na guys. And nag-swatch ako ng Lux Cosmetics. Available to guys. Available to 5 shades nito. Parang, ewan to si Jan. 5 shades. Ang gamit ko is Pouty P. Yan. And gamit kong concealer. Concealer lang ako guys. Gamit ko yung Tibian. So, yan. Yeah. I only have 2. Baba, I just vacuum, please. All your crumbs there, ha? Wala. Kumakain sila ng chocolates.
12.
Yung kulot ko, hindi na kulot.
But why isn't it wavy that much?
I know, it's alright. Kasi hindi ko naman siya linalagyan talaga ng bonggang spray para mag-hold siya. Pero okay lang naman yun. Alright. Okay, magugas na muna tayo. Babalik si Jan sa shed kasi meron siyang ginagawa doon.
I'm sucking that smart one myself.
By yourself? No, you're not. You're
Are you
coming
saying
home.
that? No, I'm saying that. So that doesn't have to turn down.
Bye, Mama.
No, I'm good. Or you sleeping? Kasi si Kuya tsaka si Jan, pag ganun sila, kung saan sila matutulog. Caravan, si Kuya sa shed, tapos kami dito lang ako.
Can I come
Kasi nga,
stay with you?
nagana ko sa live selling. You wanna come with Daddy? What you gonna do there?
Sleep.
I'm doing welding today.
Oh, nagwi-welding si Jan. Nagwi-welding si Jan.
Yeah,
Minsan fisherman, minsan welder siya.
Weld.
What's that?
Like the welding the metal. See you, yeah? Don't forget to brush your teeth, ha?
Kiss Mom in the lips.
Love you. Alis na sila, magugas na. See you, babe. See you.
Stay here, Dad.
No, that is gonna work. Ayun yung gonki sa daddy niya kasi
You're too rusty.
amoy rusty, amoy metal. Yeah.
Stay here, Dad.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.